Hello everyone, this is Dharambi sir here. So today we are going to continue with chapter 11 of grade 11th maths, which is conic sections. And the topic of today's video is parabola. So let's start. Now parabola. So parabola is the collection of all the points whose distance from a fixed point and a fixed line remains constant. That is, in the figure, if you can see that we have a curve, and if we take a point P on the curve, then the distance of this point P from a fixed point F called the focus and a fixed straight line L called the directrix 6 remains same. That is, PF will be equals to PM for each point on this curve. So this fixed point is called focus and the line is called directrix. Clear? So pause and note down the definition. Now we have different forms of a parabola and different equations for all the parabolas. So we have four standard forms, and the first one you can see in the figure that if the parabola is on the x-axis and it is symmetric about the positive x-axis, then the equation of the parabola is y square equals to 4ax, where the focus has the coordinate a0. Then the equation of the directrix will be x equals to minus a. And if the parabola is symmetric about negative x-axis like this one, then the equation of the parabola will be y square equals to minus 4ax. Coordinate of the focus is minus a0 and the equation of directrix will be x equals to a. Clear? So pause and note down these equations. Now coming to the next two forms. In this figure you can see that the parabola is symmetric about the positive y-axis. Then the equation of the parabola is given as x square equals to 4ay, where the focus has the coordinate 0a and the equation of the directrix will be equals to y equals to minus a. And if the parabola is symmetric about negative direction of y-axis, then the equation will be given as x square equals to minus 4ay. Coordinate of focus will be f0 minus a and the equation of directrix will be equals to y equals to a. Clear? Positive direction, so x square equals to 4ay. Negative direction, so x square equals to minus 4ay. Clear? So pause and note down these standard equations. Now few important parts about the parabola. So if the equation is y square equals to 4ax, then the axis is y equals to 0, directrix is x equals to minus a, vertex is 0, 0, focus is a0, length of the lattice rectum is 4a, equation of the lattice rectum is x equals to a. Now if the equation is y square equals to minus 4ax, then the axis is y equals to 0, directrix is x equals to a, vertex is 0, 0, focus is minus a0, length of the lattice rectum is 4a and the equation of the lattice rectum will be x equals to minus a. Third form, that is if it is in the form of x square equals to 4ay, then the axis is x equals to 0, directrix is y equals to minus a, vertex is 0, 0, focus is 0a, length of lattice rectum is 4a, equation of lattice rectum is y equals to a. And if it is x square equals to minus 4ay, then the axis is x equals to 0, directrix is y equals to a, length of the lattice rectum is 4a, focus is 0 minus a, equation of the lattice rectum is y equals to minus a. Clear? So we have to remember all these points while solving the sums. So pause and note down this important table. So let's start exercise 11.2, and in each of the following exercise 1 to 6, find the coordinates of the focus, axis of the parabola, the equation of the directrix and the length of the lattice rectum. So question 1 is y square equals to 12x. So y square equals to 12x, so comparing this with the standard form y square equals to 4x, we get 4a equals to 12 or a is equal to 3. So if a is equal to 3, so focus is a0, that is 30. Axis will be x-axis and the equation of directrix is what? x equals to minus a. Remember the standard table that I show. X equals to minus a, that is x equals to minus 3. And the length of latest rectum is 4a, that is 4 into 3, that is 12. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Next we have question 2. X square equals to 6y. So we have to again find the focus, axis of parabola, equation of directrix, and the length of the latest rectum. So here the given equation is x square equals to 6y. So comparing with the standard form, x square equals to 4ay. So we have 4a is equal to 6, or a is equal to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. So coordinate of focus is 0a, so it is 0, 3 by 2. And the equation of directrix is y equals to minus a, that is y equals to minus 3 by 2. And the length of latest rectum is 4a. So putting the value of a, we get 4a equals to 6. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 3. Y square equals to minus 8x, and we have to find the equation of the directrix, length of latest rectum, coordinate of focus, and axis of the parabola. So y square equals to minus 8x in the form of y square equals to minus 4ax. So comparing with the standard form, 4a is equal to 8 or a equals to 2. The focus is minus a0, that is minus 2 0. Axis is x-axis. Equation of directrix will be x equals to a, that is x equals to 2. And the length of latest rectum is 4a, that is 4 into 2, that is 8. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Next is question 6. X square equals to minus 9y. So this is in the form of x square equals to minus 4ay. So comparing with the standard form, we get 4a equals to 9, or a is equal to 9 by 4. So focus is 0 minus a, that is 0 minus 9 by 4. Axis will be y-axis, and equation of the directrix is y equals to a, that is y equals to 9 by 4. And the length of latest rectum is 4a, so 4 into 9 by 4, that is 9 units. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Now in each of the exercise 7 to 12, find the equation of the parabola that satisfy the given condition. That is, few conditions are given and we have to find the equation of the parabola. So here question 7 is focus is given 6 0 and directrix is x equals to minus 6. So since focus 6 0 lies on the x-axis, positive x-axis, the x-axis will be the axis of the parabola. Therefore the equation will be in the form of y square equals to 4x or y square equals to minus 4x. Now since 6 0 lies in the positive direction of x-axis, so we have the standard form y square equals to 4ax, and focus is a0, it is given to be 6 0, so we have a equals to 6. So putting the value of a in y square equals to 4x, we get y square equals to 4 into 6 into x, that is y square equals to 24x. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 10. Vertex is given 0 0, focus is given minus 2 0. We have to find the equation of the parabola. Now since the focus minus 2 0 is on the negative x-axis, then it will be either in the form of y square equals to 4x or y square equals to minus 4x. But since it is negative, so it will be y square equals to minus 4ax. Now since the focus is minus 2 0, so we have the value of a. We have the value of a. So putting the value of a in y square equals to minus 4x, we get y square equals to minus 4 into 2x, that is y square equals to minus 8x, which is the required equation of the parabola. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Next is question 11. Vertex is given passing through the point 2 3, and the axis is along x-axis. It is given that the axis is along x-axis. Now it is, since the axis is along x-axis, the equation we have two options. Either it is y square equals to 4ax or y square equals to minus 4x. But since the parabola is passing through the point 2 3, which is in the positive quadrant, so it will be in the form of y square equals to 4ax. Now it is given that it is passing through 2 3, so putting the value, we get 3 square equals to 4a2, or a equals to 9 by 8. So we get the value of a. So putting this value of a in equation 1, we get y square equals to 4 into 9 by 8x, that is y square equal to 9 by 2x, or simplifying, we get the equation as 2y square equals to 9x, which is the required equation of the parabola. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Next is question 12. Vertex is given 0 0 passing through 5 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Now since it is symmetric with respect to y-axis, so we have two options, either x square equals to 4ay or x square equals to minus 4y. Now again, since it is passing through the point 5 2, which is in the positive quadrant upward direction, so we have the equation x square equals to 4ay. Now it is passing through 5 2, so putting the value, we get 5 square equals to 4a into 2, that is a is equal to 25 by 8. So putting this value of a equals to 25 by 8 in equation 1, we get x square equals to 4 multiplied by 25 by 8 into y, or x square equals to 25 by 2 into y. So simplifying, we get the equation as 2x square equals to 25y, which is the required equation of the parabola. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. With this, we end the exercise. So solve the remaining sums of the exercise and don't forget to solve the examples given before the exercise. Thank you and all the best.